Kuzu Sampo, this is Ngiru Sampo reporting on Darla watershed. Darla watershed is located under Chuka Tsongkhap, which covers an area of Darla and Bongokyo, which has an area of 3,300 hectares, and it falls under Onchuk River Basin. It is located at an altitude of about 600 to 2,200 meters above sea level. The Department of Forest and Park Services Watershed Management Division has designated Darla watershed as a critical watershed by score. Almost 67% of watershed area is forest and is mostly made up of broadleaf forest, including plantations. Agricultural land, which includes wetlands and drylands, shrubs, meadows, and orchards, are other significant land areas. The area is rich with flora and fauna, which marks the last remain of subtropical to warm temperate broadleaf forests of the Bhutan Himalaya. Some of the trees and plant species found in the watershed are Monochusurum, Musenda, Oryxylum indica, wild kiwi, and some other trees as well. Besides agriculture, livestock is also one of the sources for livelihood. For more updates, we have our reporter Pasang Dema.
Darla watershed is rich in biodiversity, yet it is considered as one of the degraded watershed in Bhutan. So today we have Ms. Tenzin Omo from Darla Geo. So what are the major issues pertaining here in Darla watershed? First issue, we have water shortage. That Lamchu River, that falls under Tala watershed, is the main water source for drinking and irrigation of Mitsomo village, and more than 50% of cultivable land was left fallow due to shortage of irrigation water. In second issue, we have forest degradation. The reason for forest degradation is Bhutan Product Limited converts the forest into area of plantations, and between the period of 2002 to 2020, the Tarla community lost about 76 hectares of forest. Next, let's hear from Madam Karmachodin.
The next issue can be sedimentation problem. There is sedimentation problem in Darla watershed as Spoksuling Lake, which is located upstream of the catchment area. It plays a major role in recharging and maintaining the water flow downstream. It is saturated with sediments. The another issue we have is human-wildlife conflict. It is mainly caused by the expansion of human population, which destroys the habitat of the wildlife.
Now let's hear from our reporter Tenziom.
I'm here at Talagyo to hear about what are the strategies they are implementing to address issues in watershed, and we have Miss Roshni. So, what are the strategies that people here are implementing to address the watershed issue?
Number one can be introducing conservational practice and program. Like we, the resident of Dalakyok, we are hugely dependent on rearing of livestock, and they are causing huge number of forest degradation due to overgrazing. So when such programs are implemented, it not only restores the forest areas, but also it involves community participation.
Further, people who is causing main degradation for the purpose of the business should be held responsible to pay for ecosystem services as they are using woods for plantation. Such conservational activities should be promoted in the region.
Second one could be installation of human wildlife committee. Well, this committee is formed to compensate the farmers for the loss of their crops and livestock to wildlife, as human wildlife conflict is considered a major factor for poverty in rural areas.
So I am here with Police Officer Ms. Pasangdema to hear some of the good practices that is done in Darla watershed area.
So, some of the good practices done in Darla watershed is the local people here plants relic plants such as Axburg glindia and wild kiwi to prevent what soil erosion. And the second one is the Bhutan Broad Project Limited plants hundreds of saplings of trees every year to prevent the water from falling under the critical watershed.
For example, this is Roshan Bhaskar here in Darla Gyok to cover an interesting fact about the Darla watershed. Darla watershed has Paksoding Lake, which serves as a main water supply for the surrounding community and particularly those who graze their livestock near the lake.
Sir, can you describe about Dala watershed?
As per my knowledge, Darla watershed is considered as one of the degraded watersheds in Bhutan.
What are the current issues that Dala watershed is facing?
Okay, the main issue here at Darla is that people are very careless. People tend to let their cattle roam around and they graze in the degraded area, and the area is becoming worse, and it is becoming worse day by day.
Could you tell us some possible strategies to overcome the issue that you have mentioned?
I would strongly would like to recommend you that planting of more trees around the degraded area and fencing them will protect it from the livestock.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
So that was some of the highlights from our reporters in Darla Kyo. Thank you for watching and see you next time.